there's another view. And I'm just like above slightly. You can walk on the snow carefully. I'm gonna just walk to the other side. Yeah, mine are even slippery, so I don't want to go too close. I have sneakers that are not snowproof. Sliding a little bit, but there's a path to walk. Magnificent. I don't want to get fired for some reason. Unavoidable. Oh. The deep blue. Deep. Глубокий синий цвет озера. Это кратер озера в Орегоне. Где-то час с небольшим ехать от Klamath Falls. Walk a little bit closer so the wire is not there. Work on the snow and dig in the visitor center.